We are the young inventors from SMK Bintulu. Do you think that it's possible to save the world just by using the stomp of your feet? Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Ziwei, and today we are all gathered here to proudly present to you our product, anti-waste. Our goal is to promote recycling and reduce waste in schools by implementing our product.
Research statistics has shown that 30,000 tons of municipal solid waste has been produced by Malaysia.
Waste management has become a critical issue in schools nationwide. Each day, schools generate a shocking amount of waste that often ends up in landfills, harming the environment and wasting valuable resources. Overflowing trash cans and lack of awareness among students are the main causes of the problem. SMK Bintulu been facing two little problems, which is the rubbish thrown everywhere and all kinds of rubbish mixed together into one rubbish bin due to trash bins without clear classification and small space in rubbish bin.
Luckily, we have implemented our solution as a practical and efficient way to collect and apply alternative method to gain optimum value from waste. Our solution focuses on both collect aluminium tins and food waste in school canteen. We have designed a specialized dustbin that simplifies the process of recycling aluminium tins.
Our product is mainly made of reused materials such as tabletops, shoelaces, blacks, and ropes. To maximize space utilizations, the dustbin features a compressor mechanism that will move downwards and effectively compress wherever user use the pedal. For food waste, the pedal activates a fan blade aka shredder which cut down the food waste evenly. After the food waste is fully decomposed, the water will flow out from the PVC pipe and used to water the plant. Additionally, we utilize charcoal to eliminate any odors produced by the waste.
The dustbin can compress and crush the tins, reducing their size and optimizing space. The aluminium tins are valuable resources for recycling factories, minimizing the need of new materials.
Additionally, our dustbin efficiently collects and manages food waste. The food waste will decompose in the dustbin. This transformation results in nutrient-rich fertilizers to be used by plants.
By effectively collecting and repurposing aluminium tins and food waste, we may successfully reduce landfill areas while advancing recycling among students.
Our total cost for our product will be 113 ringgit and 60 cents.